Now, the next section in section G2 is for other income, as you can see from line 72. You can use this to record other sources of income, but please refer to the guidance in our handbook for further details of what the Department for Education expect here. For the purposes of the training, I'm going to show a small amount of fundraising each year that will increase as the number of pupils in the school rises. I've described my approach to this in the narrative and why we feel an assumption of £2 per pupil per annum is reasonable. Even though I could add up the number of pupils myself and multiply by 2, it is possible to enter formula in the green cells. So I will indicate that this is for fundraising and then enter a formula in the green cells. The formula will be equals sum of E absolute value 9, which will pick up the pupil numbers data, to E absolute value 13 times £2. This will go into cell E73. Excellent, and then I will drag that across that row. Perfect. I will also add a note in the assumptions column, O, or rather Q in this case, sorry, that is based on a target of £2 per pupil. Excellent. The final income section on G3 is the post-opening grant. Let's scroll down to the post-opening grant. Lines 82 and 83 are for the known staffing resources part of the grant and are calculated automatically based on the pupil numbers entered above. So you can see this is a secondary school, so it would only be line 83 that applies to us, and the funding has been calculated automatically. In line 84, we need to enter the number of empty year groups for pre-16 students only. In this case, we will have year 7 pupils only in 2015-16, so year 8, 9, 10 and 11 are empty. I will enter 4 in cell E84 and then reduce this number in each subsequent year. So let's go to cell E84. 4 empty year groups in the first year, then 3, then 2, then 1. Excellent. Now, as you can see, the spreadsheet has used this information to calculate the leadership grant on line 85, which is part of the post-opening grant. Cell E86 is only for use by groups opening schools that will cater for post-16 pupils only, so it does not affect this application, as we will have both pre- and post-16 students. Please refer to our guidance in tab G1 if you are making an application for a purely post-16 provision. Finally, line 90, there you go, total income. Line 90 shows the total indicative income for the school. In line 92, shows the reduced figure that you will have to use when writing your narrative for section G3 and the sensitivity analysis. So that's line 92 with 70% recruitment for the sensitivity analysis. As the next section on G3 relates to staffing income, we are now going to move to tab G4, as this is where you will record details of your staff.